Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Rant videos. First, choose a compelling topic that genuinely interests you. Look for current issues or common frustrations within the Roblox community to resonate with viewers. Research community opinions and recent events to ensure your chosen subject is relevant and has enough substance for a thorough discussion. Next, craft a well-structured script. Outline your main points and supporting arguments clearly. Gather concrete evidence, such as screenshots or short video clips, to back your claims effectively. Write in a conversational style to connect with your audience, but maintain a critical and informed tone. A solid script ensures your message is clear and impactful. To ensure full compatibility, you'll need to configure some software. DS4 Windows is a popular tool that makes your PS4 controller act like an Xbox controller, which Forza Horizon 5 natively supports. After installation, open DS4 Windows and check the Hide DS4 controller option in Settings to avoid input conflicts. If you own the game on Steam, you can also add it as a non-Steam game and enable PlayStation controller support through Steam's Big Picture Mode settings. Finally, focus on publishing and engagement. Create an appealing thumbnail and a clear, descriptive title to attract clicks. Write a detailed video description with relevant keywords to improve discoverability on the platform. Most importantly, interact with your viewers in the comments section. Responding to feedback and engaging with your audience helps build a strong community around your content.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.